Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about a new Google AI video generator competes with Sora OpenAI. So let's get started. So Sora is designed to create full-blown narrative videos from one or a few prompts, maintaining character and scene consistency. It can handle multiple shots within a single video, ensuring characters and visual styles persist accurately. However, Sora is still being refined to handle complex physical interactions and specific spatial details more reliably. OpenAI emphasizes safety, working with domain experts to test the model against potential misuse such as misinformation and bias. But in the Google AI video generator, Wondershare stands out with its ability to generate high resolution videos 1080 picture quality with a variety of cinematic and visual styles. It supports complex prompts and can generate videos longer than a minute, maintaining visual consistency across frames. It offers advanced controls for filmmaking such as masked editing and the ability to apply specific editing commands to input videos. Both tools represent significant advancement in AI generated video technology, offering new opportunities for creatives while also posing challenges related to ethical and responsible use. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.